Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in Shimla and this is day 2. So I thought, why not I take you along and tell you the best places to try the street food which are so budget friendly that you will even not imagine that something like this exists. So let's go. I'm in Middle Bazaar right now and I'm just gonna go at my first destination. Come along. I'm a die-hard lover for hot dogs and especially if they are made completely in desi style. This Zaya, who sits near New Plaza restaurant, serves really amazing hot dogs which are made completely in desi style. What I can see inside it is having coriander, cauliflower, some aloo tikki and yeah, ketchup. Let's try it out. It costs only 50 rupees with cheese. अब मैं आई हूँ विजय स्वीट्स which is again in Middle Bazaar right next to New Plaza restaurant. This shop became famous after the movie Bang Bang was shot here starring Hrithik Roshan, and this shop serves deliciously made tea and toshe, which is the specialty over here. It is made up of wheat flour and let me try this in front of you. This plate consisting of namak pare and toshe and also tea. The total bill is around 50 and you have to try this place if you are in Shimla. My next shop is the shop named Nehru's. It is also known as Nehru's and Sons. It serves amazingly made gajar ka halwa and rasmalai. And इस मौसम में रसमलाई से better कुछ नहीं है. So I just ordered 1 plate of rasmalai and the cost for this is only 80 rupees and it looks so soft and like yummy. Delicious. In Shimla on a very sweet note, and unfortunately this is my last night, so I had to try this because this bakery, Trishul Bakery, is one of the very famous bakery here in Shimla and this is their specialty.